another portfolio that's enabled with the Aura Edition. The portfolio includes the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i, then you have the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 or the X1 Carbon 13 generation, then the X1 2-in-1, which is our convertible, and then of course you have the latest launch, which is the ThinkPad X9 14-inch and ThinkPad X9 15-inch. So both the X9 devices are available for you to experience post this session, and we will take you through some of the demos on these products. So the overall portfolio which is enabled with Aura Edition are these 4 devices, and these are currently now available for sale in India. So like I said, the Aura Edition is about how do you create a distinctive experience between hardware and software. From a hardware perspective, it uses the latest generation of Intel processors, the Lunar Lake processors, which deliver close to 45 TOPS of AI performance, and also have the latest technology that enables the Aura Edition to be brought to life. So the 3 important modes that we have on the Aura Edition are the smart modes, the Smart Share, and the Smart Care. Now, what are these smart modes? Let me switch to this laptop here and actually take you through a quick view of these modes. So you have a small widget here called the Smart Modes widget. As you can see, you have Shield, you have Attention, Collaboration, Wellness, and you have an ability to go and manage power. Now, effectively, if you look at it, these 4 different things give you different capabilities. The Shield allows you to enhance security. Now, let's say somebody comes behind me and is overlooking my laptop. He's looking at the content that I'm working on. The Shield will automatically blur the screen and give you a privacy alert that says someone is overlooking your shoulder, right? That's the Shield feature. Then when we talk about attention, a lot of times we want dedicated focus time on what we are working without getting any of those notifications that we get all the time, be it from websites or from Outlook or any other messaging application, right? The attention ensures that we have a dedicated amount of time which is uninterrupted, right? And when you look at collaboration, now in collaboration, most of our customers are doing Zoom calls or MS Teams calls, and all these calls are very, very productive if the video and the audio quality is enhanced. Now, the collaboration ensures that even in a low-lit environment, the camera and the Teams experience is much better. And this is possible because we have added AI-based image processing for the camera applications, right? Then the last but not the least is the wellness. Now, oftentimes we sit in different postures, and nobody tells us that probably your posture is wrong. Or we keep staring and looking at the screen for over 30-40 minutes. Now, in all these environments, the wellness, when I enable wellness, over a period of 20 minutes, it pops up and says you've been looking at the screen for 20 minutes. So you apply the 20-20-20 rule, which basically is every 20 minutes, take a look at something that's 20 feet away for 20 seconds, right? So essentially ensuring that users' eye wellness is taken care of. Similarly, the camera is continuously monitoring you to look at your posture, and every 20 minutes it will pop up and tell you if your posture is incorrect or inappropriate. Last but not the least is the power feature. Now battery life has enhanced greatly with the new AI-based PCs, right? Now with this, the other aspect of making power changes is in the hands of the user. If I'm going through a PDF file, I don't need the CPU and the processor to be working at the maximum capability, right? Similarly, if I'm actually creating code, then I need my power to be at the fullest, so I need the performance to be the best. So with a one-touch activation, the user can go and make these settings just by one touch. Now these are touch-enabled devices, so it's very easy for the user to go and use the touch application on the widget with the smart modes. Smart Share is all about sharing. You take a picture, you want to share it to your PC, just tap and you will be able to share it. Smart Care is about helping users pick up their own way of connecting to support and driving better experience for the end user. So, in a nutshell, the Lenovo Aura Edition PCs have been created keeping the end user in mind and enabling the end user to be more productive, have a secure environment, and a user friendly experience. That's all I had. Thank you very much.